Welcome to EchoLearn, an AI-powered voice-first learning assistant. Here, learners interact entirely through speech, making education accessible for everyone, even in low connectivity regions or for visually impaired learners. As you can see, users can start lessons simply by speaking. You go to the option called Learn.
Welcome to EchoLearn. Tap the microphone and say, "Teach me addition."
So you can tap the microphone and you can say teach me addition. This is already predefined and that's why you get a response. Okay, since this is a prototype, I'll not put much effort into it. And yeah, so that's about this. And so you can see that users can start the lesson simply by speaking and the AI listens. So it tries to explain the
Welcome
topic,
to
ask the
EchoLearn.
question.
Tap the microphone and say, "Teach me addition."
Yeah, it asks questions and it adapts its teaching pace to match our understanding. There's no typing or reading which is required. So since this is specifically involving the visually challenged people, um, it's easier for them to give a voiceover rather than typing something. So there is the system mainly uses advanced conversational AI and speech recognition to provide adaptive feedback, and it tunes the difficulty, it changes the tones of explanation, and even challenges learners with gamified voice exercise. So we'll come to that. So, so the main part of this project is that it supports offline and multilingual. So there's a multilingual option as well as there's offline support. So EchoLearn works offline with preloaded lessons. So learning continues even without internet. Plus, it supports multiple Indian languages and dialects, making education truly inclusive. Okay, so all this will be added. This is considered as a future scope, but I've provided a prototype to it and I'll show it to you in some time. And learners can earn badges and track progress in real time through the gamified voice navigable interface, and this keeps learning fun, interactive, and motivating. So, to conclude, eco-learning bridges the digital and illiteracy gap by combining AI, voice-first interaction, and offline accessibility. It is an innovative step towards inclusive, personalized education for everyone. So, at first, we go to the Home tab. So, Home tab is basically just just explaining the project where you can see learn by speaking, not by reading. So, since this project is basically everything is mentioned here. There's an AI mentor, there's offline ready. This is all something that I already told you about. So if you click here, if you want to explore features, the features are these are the features. So even if you want to click here, this is just a it's just a portrayal of how it's gonna look like. So if you click on start
Welcome to
learning,
EchoLearn. Tap the microphone and say, "Teach me addition."
so since it's something that I already told, it's already predefined. Okay, so this is just a prototype. So once you tell that once you click on the mic and if you start speaking, it actually works, and that's how it is. So if you go to the dashboard, you can see
Math,
user,
math,
yeah,
numbers, addition, shapes.
yeah. So it shows how our progress is. You can see clearly how it is mentioned and everything. But if you once you try to hover the mouse over the any of these containers, it's going to spell the word out. Okay, so for example, if I want to go to the math container,
Math, numbers, addition, shapes.
yeah,
English, words, sounds, stories. Science, plants, animals, world. English, words, sounds, stories.
yeah. So this is how it works. Now again, if you want to start a quiz, yeah, this is I've not been doing it, but yeah, just give me a minute. And this is the library. So the library pretty much looks like Since this is not just built for the visually impaired people, it's also built for people who have no access, or let's say the poor sections of the society. Okay, so much easier and in a better way. So I have different types of adjustable settings for people, and so you have some words like offline written, you have play on,
Playing alphabet adventure.
yeah, so that's play on.
Playing wash hands song.
So as you click,
Playing animal sounds.
you can see different expressions. So there are knowledge buttons in it. Then the profile is not yet built. Uh, uh, you just have to log in and everything. So that is also a part of the future scope. So this is the prototype that I would like to present.